Hello guys, welcome to Data Analysis 101. So we are going to give it a name. We're calling it Data Analysis 101. Before we move on to the practical sections where I'll be showing you how to use the softwares I mentioned, I would like to give you an overview of what data analysis is. So what is it to know about data analysis? I'm going to share that with you right now. So let's move on to our system. Welcome back. So what is data analysis? Yes, you might have been hearing this from people. I'm a data analyst. What is data analysis? So let's dive into what we'll be doing today in this overview. So in this course, for this course outline, we have introduction to data analysis. We have importance and applications here. We have the types of data, which are the qualitative and the quantitative. Then we also have data collection methods. So we also understand the data structures and data types. So we have all of this that we'll be looking in this overview, in this course particularly. So let's move on to the first one here. Introduction to data analysis. What is data analysis? You might have been hearing people say, I'm a data analyst, I am into data analysis. What does data analysis mean? This is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, drawing conclusions, and supporting decision making. Grammar. What does this simply mean here? So this is the step-by-step process people take in order to make their business better. How? So I want to know what made my sales better the last time. What did I do the last time that made me sell well? What do I need to do to make the business better? So with the data I have collected, I'm going to look at it, analyze it, and inspect it, and also clean it if there are errors, if there are discrepancies. I'll clean it and make sure it's ready for my decision making. When I look at this data, it will help me know what I did better that made my business better, what I did before that made it progress. With this information I have now, it will help me, guide me, show me, and make me do better in the future. Do you understand what data analysis is? So now with this knowledge, you can agree with me that every business, every company, every school, every organization needs a data analyst. Yes, because if you want to do better in school, if you want to do better in your business, if you want to make sales, if you want to progress in whatever you do, you need to learn to work with your data, work with what you have, and see what you did well, see what you didn't do well. With this information you have, it can help you decide how to do better in the future. So that is why data analysis is very crucial and important. I hope this was clear. What are the key components of data analysis? One, we have data collection. The first step is gathering data from various sources. This can include surveys, experiments, transactional data, and more. Ensuring data is accurate and relevant is crucial. There are different places to get your data. You collect your data from where you'll be making your decision. Number two, data cleaning. When you collect this data, a lot of time, this data won't be clean. What do I mean by not being clean? You will get some discrepancy. You'll get some information that shouldn't be there. And you also have some of them that you don't need for your report. This is where you need data cleaning. Now you're going to remove the ones you need and keep what you want and make them better and accurate. Yes, because if your data is not correct, if your data is not accurate, you will get wrong results. Yes, that is why it is necessary that you clean your data first before you start your exploration. Number three, data exploration. This involves summarizing the main characteristics of the data, often through visualization like graphs and charts. It helps you understand your data better. So when you've cleaned your data, you start exploring. See, you go through everything and see how to move from where you are to the next step. That is data exploration. Yes, so for number four, we have data transformation. This step includes modifying data into a suitable format for analysis. So when you've gotten this data you want, you start transforming it to what you want. So how you want it to look, how you want it to be visualized to your stakeholders, to your management, or whoever is interested in seeing your data. The next one is data modeling. Now, when you progress to data science, you understand this part. You create a model that will help you predict your next move for the future. So that is where we have the data modeling. Finally, we have interpretation and reporting. The whole point of data analysis, of course, it is to help you make your decision. And also, if you're working for a company, you would need to interpret this and also report to your stakeholders or to the higher management. So this is where we have interpretation. When I've gotten my findings, I'll need to explain to people who are not used to the system, who are not good with analysis. You explain to them what you found from your analysis, what you've discovered from the process of analyzing your data. So these are the components of data analysis. Let's move on to the next one. What are the importance of data analysis? How do I apply data analysis? Of course, I don't have to overemphasize this point because you already know every organization, like I said earlier, every organization needs data analysts in their system. Data analysis helps organization and individuals make informed decisions, uncover patterns and trends, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. In business, it can drive strategy, optimize operations, and enhance customer satisfaction. In healthcare, it can improve patient outcomes and operational efficiencies. In science, it advances research and development. I will tell you that because of the research and also the analysis made, scientists were able to improve the system. I guess this is where this is where AI came. Yes, because yes, we they realized that this work could be done better. See, let's start with the camera. Before now, videographers would use aeroplane to move around, to take videos of a particular scene. But now, because of inventions and of course the analysis they've done, they've been able to bring things like drone. Yes, see, they looked at the past results and the efficiency and realized that we need to do something better. And they came up with drone. So these are the importance of data analysis in your business. It will help you decide. It will help you decide on what to do and what not to do based on the analysis and based on the results you've gathered. So data analysis cannot be overemphasized. It is very important.